In the realm of modern living, where compact spaces demand both function and charm, rustic wood decor emerges as a beautifully practical solution for homeowners and an immensely rewarding opportunity for woodworkers. The marriage of affordability, natural texture, and timeless appeal has made rustic wood design a cornerstone of small space decoration, and it continues to inspire woodworkers to create, innovate, and sell. For those who craft with intention and vision, the rustic aesthetic becomes not only a design choice but a philosophy, a means to inject warmth, personality, and sustainable values into everyday interiors. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. Whether you're into handcrafted furniture or cozy aesthetics, we're here to inspire you. Today we will show you a collection of easy and affordable rustic wood decor ideas for small living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In small living rooms, where every square inch must serve a purpose and every visual element plays a role in mood and perception, rustic wood pieces offer a unique advantage. Their raw textures, visible grains, and naturally imperfect finishes create an environment that feels both lived in and elevated, comforting yet stylish. What makes rustic woodworking such a powerful entry into decor creation is its open embrace of imperfection. Unlike glossy factory furniture that demands uniformity, rustic wood allows and even celebrates natural flaws, knots, color variation, uneven lines, transforming them into features rather than faults. For the woodworker, this means there's no need to spend excessively on premium lumber. Instead, they can repurpose scrap wood, salvaged beams, or old pallets, turning forgotten materials into one-of-a-kind treasures. The affordability of these raw resources makes the barrier to entry low, encouraging even hobbyist crafters to start building. With a few basic tools, perhaps just a handsaw, sander, drill, and some stain, a beginner can begin creating with confidence, knowing the final product will shine not despite its simplicity, but because of it. Small living spaces benefit especially from the functional creativity that rustic decor allows. Wooden crates can double as storage and seating. Slim-profile wall-mounted shelves can house essentials without occupying floor space, and handcrafted coffee tables with built-in compartments offer both utility and aesthetic cohesion. This duality, beauty paired with practicality, is the heart of what makes rustic woodworking ideal for small spaces. For the creator, designing such pieces becomes a puzzle of optimization, how to provide charm and storage, comfort and expression, without cluttering the limited area. And in solving that puzzle, the woodworker experiences a sense of achievement that goes beyond artistry. It becomes a contribution to better living. That very functionality, combined with the emotional appeal of handmade items, creates a powerful value proposition in the market. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. Consumers are increasingly turning away from mass-produced furniture and toward artisan-crafted goods that carry story, soul, and sustainability. When a homeowner places a handcrafted rustic wooden shelf in their studio apartment or decorates their loft with a reclaimed wood coffee table, they are not just decorating. They are aligning with values of mindfulness, uniqueness, and ethical consumption. For the woodworker, this shift in consumer preference presents a meaningful and profitable opening. Affordable to create and desirable to own, rustic decor items for small spaces are highly sellable at craft fairs, local markets, online platforms, and boutique home decor stores. Each piece, because it is handmade, carries intrinsic value, and the simplicity of the designs often makes them repeatable, scalable, and adaptable to custom orders. Moreover, the act of crafting rustic wood decor for small spaces fosters a deeper connection between the maker and the user. The woodworker, while shaping each board or sanding each edge, understands that this piece will become part of someone's daily life. It may hold their books, frame their cherished photos, or serve as a quiet companion beside their favorite chair. That sense of intimacy and service transforms the woodworking process from mere production to meaningful creation. The budget-friendly nature of rustic wood decor also allows for experimentation and growth without major financial risk. A woodworker can try out new ideas, be it a floating corner shelf, a ladder rack for blankets, or a multi-purpose wooden tray, without investing heavily in exotic materials or complex machinery. The raw, rugged aesthetic calls for simplicity, honesty in design, and resourcefulness. It invites the use of natural stains, eco-friendly finishes, and subtle hardware that complements rather than overshadows the wood. This minimalism, when done right, not only appeals to modern tastes but also lowers production costs, allowing the maker to maintain healthy profit margins even when pricing affordably. It's a sustainable loop, affordable to make, meaningful to use, and profitable to sell. For many woodworkers, creating rustic decor for small living areas becomes more than a creative outlet or income stream. It becomes a lifestyle. It encourages mindfulness in material sourcing, simplicity in execution, and intentionality in business practices. It reminds the maker that beauty doesn't have to be loud, complexity doesn't equal value, and utility can be poetic. Whether operating from a full garage workshop or a modest corner of a spare room, the woodworker builds not just objects, but opportunities. Opportunities for customers to bring warmth into their homes, for materials to be reused with dignity, and for the maker to find purpose and prosperity in their hands-on craft. In an age where speed and volume dominate many industries, rustic woodworking slows things down, focusing instead on quality, care, and quiet beauty. And within that demand lies endless potential for creativity, for connection, and for sustainable success. For the aspiring or established woodworker, investing time and care into creating easy and affordable rustic wood decor for small living spaces is not just a craft, it's a calling. One that pays in dollars, in satisfaction, and in the deep, enduring knowledge that beauty built by hand can still find its rightful place in a fast-moving world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy and affordable rustic wood decor ideas for small living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.